morning, student. Today we are going to discuss a story of a chameleon family. What did Geeta eat? In this story, the word Amma is used for mother, Appa is used for father, Tata is used for grandfather, and Pati is used for grandmother. Let us understand the story. The story is started with the scene of breakfast. Usa and Uma are two girls who had to go to school, so they were having their breakfast. The little one, Geeta, was playing on the bed with a pillow. She pretended as she was riding the horse. At that time, she smelled something and she ran to the kitchen for demanding toast. Amma, it means mother, gave her a toast with jam. The toast was crunchy and sweet. Geeta loved to eat it. Usa and Uma had finished their breakfast and picked up their bags to go to school. After finishing her toast, Geeta was again busy in playing. This time, she pretended as she was riding camel. This was tough job. Suddenly, Geeta heard the sound of tickling. That time, Amma was making coffee for Tata. So Geeta demanded a glass of milk with a drop of coffee. Amma gave her a glass of milk and she drank it up quickly. Now, Appa was ready for leaving the office. When Amma gave breakfast to Appa, Geeta again came there and demanded for idli. Amma gave her idli with a little honey. After eating all that, she was playing with chair, pretending as she was riding a train. Chuk, chuk, chuk. Geeta's train arrived in front of Pati. Pati means grandmother, and she was busy in reading newspaper. Pati asked about breakfast to the Geeta. Geeta answered that Usa and Uma had breakfast. Appa had breakfast, but she hadn't. So she again started to demanding to something to eat. Thank you, student.